Dear children, today we will learn about absolute value of an integer and arranging the integers in ascending or descending order. Fine. Let us begin with the meaning of absolute value of an integer. The absolute value of a number is the distance between 0 and the number on the number line. The absolute value of a number is the distance between 0 and the number on the number line. Distance is always a positive quantity or 0. Absolute value is represented by vertical bars on each side of the number. Absolute value is represented by vertical bars on each side of the number. That is, the absolute value of a number A is modulus of A. The vertical bars on each side of the number is called modulus of that number. See this number line. Here the absolute value describes the distance of a number on the number line from 0 without considering which direction from 0 the number lies. The absolute value of a number is never negative. So in this number line, the distance from -4 to 0 and the distance from 4 to 0 both remains same. That means when it is a -4, the modulus of -4 is equal to 4 and the modulus of +4 is also 4. The both the cases the distance remains the positive value. For example, the modulus of -18 is equal to 18. The modulus of 27 is equal to 27. The third case, the modulus of -615 is equal to -615. The reason is the negative sign is there outside this modulus sign. So here the absolute value which we get, that is a -615. The next case is negative, then modulus 100 is equal to -100. Suppose the negative sign which comes inside this modulus sign, then it becomes positive. But if it is outside this modulus sign, then that sign you have to write along with that number. So the absolute value always results in a positive version of numbers. Let's understand. The modulus of x plus 3 is equal to 6. So here the x could be, the x is equal to 6 minus 3. So during the transposition, the plus 3 will become the -3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. That means the modulus of x plus 3 is equal to 6. Then apply the value. The x value is here 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. The second equation, the modulus of x plus 3 is equal to -6. So here the x could be, that means x is equal to -6 minus 3. So this plus 3, when it comes to the other side of the equal sign, it will become the -3. So since both are negatives, then the sum is -9. So the modulus of x plus 3 is equal to -6. Now the x value is minus 9. So minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. That means both the distance from the number line, that is a 0 to 6 and 0 to minus 6, both remains same. Next, arrange the following integers in ascending order. 135 minus 87 minus 9, 87 minus 23, 263 minus 172, 18. Now try to solve this question. Given a negative integers are minus 87, minus 9, minus 23 and minus 172. Now we are going to write in ascending order. These negative integers we are going to write in ascending order. That is minus 172 is less than minus 87 is less than minus 23 is less than minus 9. Now the given positive integers are 135, 87, 263, 18. Now we are going to arrange the positive integers also in ascending order. That is 18 is less than 87 is less than 135 is less than 263. Now all the given integers, both the negative integers and the positive integers, now we are going to write in ascending order. Then minus 172 is less than, minus 87 is less than, minus 23 is less than, minus 9 is less than, 18 is less than, 87 is less than, 135 is less than 263. That is, the ascending order is minus 172, minus 87, minus 23, minus 9, 18, 87, 135, 263. Here is the exercise for you to solve. So question number 1, write these numbers in order. 16, minus 8, 2, minus 10, 5, 9. So from smallest to greatest. And second question is minus 181, minus 250, 0, minus 56, 100, minus 300. From greatest to smallest. Question number 2, evaluate the following. So one question is done for you. The modulus of 27 minus 18 plus modulus negative 9. So 27, the modulus 27 minus 18 is equal to the modulus 9. Their difference is 9. That means the modulus 9 is equal to 9. And the modulus of negative 9 is equal to 9. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So the questions 2 and 3, that you have to do it as a homework. I hope you understood the topic, what is the meaning of absolute value and how to arrange the integers in ascending order and descending order. Thank you.